Hello student, myself Desle Sheetal. In the last lecture, we have to study about preparation of aldehydes and ketones. First is the by oxidation of alcohols, by dehydrogenation of alcohols. Second, from hydrocarbons. In this, first we see about by ozonolysis we prepare aldehydes and ketones, and second by hydration of alkynes, and after we see the other methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. In this we see first method, we prepare the ketones, aliphatic ketones from acyl chlorides, and second aromatic ketones from acyl chlorides, and then we see preparation of aldehydes from nitriles and preparation of ketone from. Today we start next preparation from aromatic hydrocarbons. The aromatic aldehydes and ketones are both prepared from aromatic hydrocarbons but by different method. Preparation of aromatic aldehydes from hydrocarbon. Strong oxidizing agent transform CH3 group bonded to aromatic ring into carboxyl group. For obtaining aromatic aldehydes from methyl arene, the following special methods are used. First is the Itard reaction. The methyl group in methyl benzene is oxidized by oxidizing agent chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide as solvent to form a chromium complex from which the corresponding benzaldehyde is obtained on acid hydrolysis. This reaction is known as Itard reaction. In this reaction we see the example, the toluene plus chromyl chloride in presence of CH2 gives chromium complex, and last yield of the reaction is benzaldehyde. Second method is by oxidation of methyl arene using CrO3. Methyl arene is converted into a benzaldehyde diacetate on treatment with chromium oxide in acetic anhydride at 273 to 278 Kelvin. The diacetate derivative on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding aldehyde. In this reaction, we take a methyl benzene plus CrO3 plus acetic anhydride at 273 to 278 Kelvin or 283 Kelvin gives last yield of the reaction is benzaldehyde. This is the two method from which we prepare aromatic aldehyde. The third point in the preparation of aromatic aldehydes from hydrocarbon is by side chain chlorination of toluene. In this reaction, the side chain chlorination of toluene gives benzyl chloride, which on acid hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin gives benzaldehyde. In this reaction, toluene gives benzyl chloride, which on acid hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin, and after this benzaldehyde is manufactured commercially in this method. The fourth reaction in the preparation of aromatic aldehydes from hydrocarbon is the Gutermann-Koch formulation of arene. Benzene or substituted benzene is treated under high pressure with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride to give benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde. We see the preparation of aromatic aldehyde from hydrocarbons. There are four methods. First we see Itard reaction. Second, by oxidation of methylarine using CrO3. Third, we see about by side chain chlorination of toluene. And last, we see the Gattermann-Koch formulation of arene. The next point is the preparation of aromatic ketones from hydrocarbons by Friedel-Crafts acylation of arene. In this reaction, the benzene or substituted benzene or arene with acyl chloride or acetic anhydride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives aromatic ketone. This reaction is called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation of arene. In this reaction, the benzene is react with anhydrous AlCl3 and gives acyl or aryl phenone, where R may be alkyl or aryl group. Benzene is heated with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, which gives acetophenone or 1-phenylethanone. Also, we take another example, that is benzene, which is heated with acetic anhydride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, which is gives 1-phenylethanone or acetophenone, where benzene is heated with acyl halide or acid anhydride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, which gives corresponding acyl benzene. In this reaction, the formation of electrophile RCOCl plus AlCl3, which gives Rc plus double bond O plus AlCl4 minus, and electrophile, which is the acylium ion. The next point is the preparation of aldehydes only from esters. The aliphatic or aromatic esters are reduced to aldehydes by using diisobutyl aluminum hydride. The reaction is usually carried out at about 195 Kelvin to prevent further reduction of the aldehyde which is produced. The esters are at catalyst which is used, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride, and the yield of the reaction which is aldehyde. Next is the preparation of carboxylic acid. The preparation of carboxylic acid, first, which is from nitriles and amides. The alkyl nitriles or aryl nitriles on acid hydrolysis which give amides. Amides on further acid hydrolysis which is give corresponding carboxylic acid. Hydrolysis is carried out by using dilute mineral acids like dilute sulfuric acid or dilute hydrochloric acid. In this, the nitride which are from carboxylic acid, and after hydrolysis which gives amides. Next point is the preparation of carboxylic acid from acyl chloride and anhydrides. The acyl chlorides on hydrolysis with water which gives carboxylic acid. This method is useful for preparation of aliphatic as well as aromatic acid. In this reaction, the acid chloride on hydrolysis with water and which is gives carboxylic acid plus hydrochloric acid. The anhydrides on hydrolysis with water which gives carboxylic acid. Next point is the preparation of carboxylic acid from esters. The carboxylic acid can be obtained from ester either by acid hydrolysis or alkaline hydrolysis. In acid hydrolysis of ester, the esters on hydrolysis with dilute mineral acid like dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 which gives corresponding carboxylic acid. The ethyl benzoate plus water which gives benzoic acid or ethyl butanoate which gives butanoic acid. The next method of preparation of carboxylic acid is by alkaline hydrolysis of ester. By using the dilute alkali like dilute NaOH or dilute KOH from solution of water, soluble sodium or potassium salt of the acid which known as carboxylate on acidification with concentrated HCl which is free acid is formed. In this reaction, the sodium or potassium salt of higher fatty acids are known as soaps. Hence, alkaline hydrolysis of esters is called as saponification. The methyl propionate which is dilute using dilute NaOH gives sodium propionate, and sodium propionate using a concentrated HCl gives propionic acid. This reaction is known as a saponification reaction. Next method for preparation of carboxylic acid is from alkyl benzene. The aromatic carboxylic acid can be prepared by oxidation of alkyl benzene with dilute HNO3 or alkaline or acidic KMNO4 or chromic acid. The entire alkyl chain, regardless of its length, is oxidized to a carboxyl group. The tertiary alkyl substituent on benzene is not oxidized. For example, the toluene gives the benzoic acid and the cumene in presence of KNO4 or KOH gives potassium benzoate Next is the preparation of carboxylic acid from alkenes. The carboxylic acids can also be prepared by the oxidation of alkenes by KMnO4 in dilute H2SO4. The phenylethene in presence of KMnO4 and dilute sulfuric acid, which is gives benzoic acid after, and the cyclohexane in presence of KMnO4 in dilute H2SO4, which is gives adipic acid. Next point is the preparation of carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent in dry ether solvent is added to solid carbon dioxide, which is dry ice, to give a complex which on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding carboxylic acid. In this reaction, the alkyl magnesium halides, in this the solid dry ice is added in presence of dry ether, which is gives complex after which added the dilute HCl. Last the yield of reaction, which is carboxylic acid. In this way we see the preparation of carboxylic acid from nitriles and amides, from acyl chloride and anhydrides, from esters, from alkyl benzene, from alkenes, and last from Grignard reagent.